Hey everyone, how's it going? In honor of the new Minions movie coming out, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Minions surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Minions surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to go ahead and fold my paper in half by lining up the corners and then giving it a nice fold right down the middle here. That way we kind of have a birthday card. Next, take your paper and give it one more fold like this. This way you have somewhat of a nice big bookmark shape. And when you open it up, you can open it up like this, or you can open up this way, and you have these nice lines in here that serve as guidelines for you. Now to start off with this, let's go ahead by making our little box here for our bananas. So I'm going to kind of turn my paper just so I can get a little bit better angle. And I'm going to draw a line right across the top here, but I don't want to draw in here. So I'm just going to go really careful, and we're going to draw a line right across the top of our fold. So we're just going to come right across here. And we're just going to bring it right to about here on each side. Next, I'm going to draw a line that comes down. And then I'll make another line that comes down over here. Next, let's draw a line right across here. So I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come all the way to here. Now, I want to make this kind of look like a wood crate. So what I'm going to do is, let's draw a line that comes down, and another line that comes down here. Then we'll do the same thing here. Let's draw a line that comes down and another line right here. Next, let's draw a line that comes across here. We're going to continue it, and right over here, you can see we just jumped over these two rectangles. Let's do the same thing here. We're going to go across, across, and then across here. Now I want to make some little kind of dots on here that are going to look like little nails that would be holding the wood together. So I'm just going to go ahead and make two little black dots on each little section here. So you can see they're kind of lined up with these three boards. So we're going to do two dots here, and then two dots right here. Now up here we want to make it look like there's some bananas sticking out. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up, bring your line over, and then go ahead and bring it down. Then we'll make a little square shape on top, and a little line right down the middle. Let's put another one here. This time we'll draw a line that comes up. We're going to make it come down, and then up a little bit, and then back down. We'll make a little square shape here. And then we're going to draw a line down, and then we're going to bring it up here. Now over here, let's draw a line that's going to come up. We'll go over, and then let's bring it down here. We'll put our little square shape, and then another little line down. Now you can always go ahead and add more bananas, but I'm just going to keep it simple and just have these three. Once we open up our picture, you can see that we have two halves. We have our little crate down here, and then we have a couple bananas right up here. Now our next step is we want to start adding some more bananas and our little minion in here. So let's go ahead and finish off these bananas first. Let's start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down to a point and then back, and then just connect this line. This line, go ahead and draw all the way over to here, and then let's connect these two lines right here. And then this line, we're gonna bring this all the way out here and connect it up here with a line that's gonna curve. Now down here, I'm gonna add a couple more bananas sticking out of here. So let's go ahead and add a line that's gonna come up, and then we'll just come down, and then we'll add a little line right here. Over here, let's add a line that's gonna come up, over and down, with a little square, and a line down. And then right over here, let's add a little line that's gonna curve. We'll come down and then back. We'll add a little line down and then a little square shape. Now inside of here, I want to make our little minion. So let's start right about here and let's make the eyes. I'm going to begin by drawing a circle, nice and big for one eye. We'll leave some space and then we'll make another circle for the second eye. Now you can do any type of minion you want. I'm going to make one that has two eyes. Now I'm going to put a little dot here and then a little dot right here. Starting at this dot on the top, let's go ahead and draw a line that's going to curve around and then connect to this dot. So I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve around and then it's going to connect to here. Then we'll do the same thing here. Let's curve around and I'm going to connect right to here for the goggles. Now let's add a little circle inside each one for the pupil and add a smaller circle right at the top. Next, go ahead and color in that pupil, but just leave that little bit of space white right there. Now right here, let's draw the mouth of our minion. I'm going to begin here by drawing a little smile. And then we're going to make a line that's going to come right to here and then up. We'll draw a little curved line for the tongue. And a couple little smiley faces for the teeth. Now on the sides of the goggles, let's draw a line that goes out, down, and then comes back. And then same thing here, let's go out, down, and then bring it back. Starting here, we're going to make a great big sad face that goes from one of these little rectangle shapes to the next. Next, we'll draw a line that comes down on each side. Right here, let's go ahead and draw a line that's going to come up. It's going to go over and then down to start the overalls. And then let's make two lines that come out here. And two more lines, or we'll just do one line right there. Now let's make the hands. I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out. We'll curve it, and then we'll bring it back. Same thing here, let's go out, curve it, and then bring it right back to the body. Next, we'll make a little curved line around the top of the arm. That's going to be the start of the glove. And then we'll make the hands. Let's start by drawing a line that's going to curve out and down. Then we're going to make a line that's going to curve out and come back, and one more out, and then it's going to come back here. And I like to add a little line across. Same thing over here. Let's go up and then back down for the thumb. We're going to make this line come out and then back, and then one more out, and then we're going to bring it back here. And then we'll draw a little line across. Next, starting here, I'm going to add two black dots right here for like the buttons. And then what I like to do is I like to add just a couple more little bananas that are kind of flying through the air, kind of like he's getting ready to jump right out of this box. So I'm just going to go ahead and add a couple more little bananas all around here. You don't have to do this, but this is just something kind of fun and adds a little more detail on here. I'm actually going to make this banana look like it's been peeled, so I'm going to make a little curved line, and then we'll add some of the little peels on here. And then we'll just add this. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little Minion surprise fold. Now when you have it all folded up, we have a little crate of bananas, and then when you open it up, we have our Minion popping out. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.